Salut, Pascal Muscato here. Welcome back into another MotionBuilder video. In today's video, we are doing Python scripting, and the objective of today's video is to create a pop-up message box to duplicate a take and rename it. So let's jump into it. First, we want to add a Python editor window like this. We are going to create a new Python script file. Let's start by importing the module that we need. So from PyFB SDK, we want to import FB system, FB message box, get user value, that's a long one, and FB popup input type. So let's start by getting the name of the take. And let's create a variable, and in this variable we will be getting FB system, open close parenthesis, current take, and we want to get the name of it. As I'm typing this, I'll show you what's going on. So I'll print that. So right now my take is named take001. All right. So now this name is stored in this variable. Now I want to create a pop-up message box. So to do that, you have to write FB message box get user value and open close parenthesis. Let's start by typing the name of the box, title, for example. Then we have to type the message of the box, message. Here is the default value. Let's leave that empty. And here we want to put FBPopupInputType dot FBPopup string. There is a few other type that you can type, for example, password or integers and so on. I'll leave a link for the full list of pop-up input type. And the three last input are for the buttons. You can only put one and up to 3. So I'll type OK and cancel. So let's see that. So here I have it. Title, message, default, there's nothing, OK and cancel. The thing is, now we have this, we need to store that into a variable. So message box equals, so the result of what's going on in here will be stored into this variable. So as an example, I'll show you print. So you got the value 0 and you got the value 1. So in this one it's the button press, and in this one it's the value that the user has entered into the box. So let's try that. Test. So when I hit OK, it print 1. 1 is button OK. 2 would be cancel. And test is the text I have put in the box. Okay, let's create a condition to see if the button OK is pressed or the button cancel is pressed. So I'm gonna type if message box 0 equals 1. This is my condition. So if you've pressed OK, and if message box 1 exists, so there's something in it, I'll print success. Success. So you see, if I put nothing in it, there's no success. If I put anything in it and press OK, success. If I press cancel, nothing. All right. So if I have input something and press OK, I want to create another take. So I'll do FB system current take copy take and the name of the take. So if I look into my navigator, I've created the take name. Okay, so now what I want to do is do a little pimp up of this script. I'm gonna change this variable here. I'm gonna take the take name and variable and put it right there. So when I launch the script, the take name will be here. So it's gonna put into the message box the current take's name. And I can even add stuff in it right after it. For example, underscore. So name underscore, or it could be space duplicated. Like this. Okay, you can put whatever you want here. And I need to change the name here with the result of message box 1. I will simply remove name and put that. If I execute that, name duplicated, okay, here you have it. So it is that easy to create that script, and you can map that to your ActionScript. If you don't know how to do that, you can look at this video right here to know how to create ActionScript and map that to your keyboard. You can also look at this video to create your custom keyboard and put those scripts to a better key mapping. And that's it for today's video. So I hope you've learned something. Please leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. Don't hesitate to share with a friend. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. À la prochaine!